Good morning student, welcome back to our next video. In today's video, I am going to explain new lesson 12, and the name of lesson is Robin Runs Away to the Wood. Let's begin with the lesson. Long ago, when King Henry ruled England, there lived a band of outlaws in Sherwood Forest. Long ago, in England, King Henry ruled there, and there lived a band of outlaws in Sherwood Forest. In which forest band of outlaws were there? Outlaws lived in Sherwood Forest. Children, do you know who an outlaw is? One who is punished and does not get the protection of law is called an outlaw. Who is an outlaw? Person who is punished and does not get the protection of law is called an outlaw. So, punished means dand and protection means raksha karna. And children, you know outlaw, the person who is punished and does not get the protection of law is called an outlaw. बहुत समय की बात है, किंग हेनरी इंग्लैंड में रूल करते थे और वहाँ पर एक बैंड मतलब लोग रहते थे, आउटलॉज. कहाँ पर रहते थे? शेरवुड फॉरेस्ट में लिव्ड अ बैंड ऑफ आउटलॉज. एंड आउटलॉज कौन है? पर्सन हु इज़ पनिश्ड, मतलब जिनको दंड दिया जाता है और जिनको रक्षा लॉ के द्वारा रक्षा नहीं मिलती है उसको आउटलॉ कहा जाता है. In the Sherwood Forest, there lived an outlaw named Robin Hood. He was the head of outlaw. In Sherwood Forest, there lived an outlaw named Robin Hood. In Sherwood Forest, Robin Hood used to live as an outlaw, and he was the head of outlaws. He helped the poor, but the rich man and the sheriff hated him. He used to help the rich men. He helped the poor, but the rich and the sheriffs hated him. Sheriffs मतलब फौजदार, लोग उसको हेट करते थे. और he used to help the poor. He was a bold and adventurous young man. He was bold and adventurous. Adventurous means साहसिक और bold मतलब निर्भीक था. So he was very good at shooting and also had many other skill. He was very good at shooting. Shooting मतलब निशानेबाज करना उसको बहुत अच्छे से आता था और उसमें और बहुत सारे कौशल थे. स्किल मतलब कौशल थे. So in Sherwood Forest there lived an outlaw named Robin Hood, and he was the head of an outlaw. He used to help the poor, but the rich and the sheriff hated him. And he was bold and adventurous young man. He was very good at shooting and also had many other skills. So इन शेरवुड फॉरेस्ट में रॉबिन हुड नाम का एक आउटलॉ रहता था. वो हेड था आउटलॉ का और वो पुअर लोगों की हेल्प करता था, लेकिन फौजदार और रिच लोगों उसको बहुत नापसंद करते थे. और वह निर्भीक और निडर यंग मैन था. ही और उसको निशानेबाजी करनी बहुत अच्छे से आती थी और उसमें और बहुत सारे गुण और कौशल थे. बिफोर बिकमिंग एन आउटलॉ ही लिव्ड विथ हिज अंकल. आउटलॉ होने के पहले वो अपने अंकल के साथ में रहता था. दैट टाइम द शेरिफ्स ऑफ नॉटिंगम हेल्ड अ ग्रेट शूटिंग मैच. उस समय नॉटिंगम में एक शूटिंग मैच का आयोजन हुआ. रॉबिन वॉज 18 years ओल्ड और उस समय रॉबिन हुड 18 years ओल्ड का था. देन द शरीफ डिसाइडेड अ बिग प्राइज फॉर द बेस्ट शूटर. शरीफ ने डिक्लेयर किया अ बिग प्राइज फॉर द बेस्ट शूटर. जो अच्छे से निशानेबाजी करेगा उसको एक बहुत बड़ा प्राइज मिलेगा. द शरीफ मैन स्प्रेड द न्यूज़ एवरीवेयर इन द सिटी एज वेल एज इन द कंट्री साइड. एंड दिस न्यूज़, द शरीफ मैन स्प्रेड दिस न्यूज़ इन द सिटीज़ एज वेल एज इन द कंट्री साइड. यह न्यूज़ पूरे सिटीज़ में और आजू बाजू के कंट्री साइड में यह न्यूज़ फैला दी गई, पहुंचा दी गई. Before becoming an outlaw, he lived with his uncle, and at that time, the sheriff of Nottingham held a great shooting match. Robin Hood was 18 years old. Then his sheriffs declared a big prize for the best shooter. The sheriffman spread the news everywhere in the cities as well as in the countryside. So when Robin heard about this, he wanted to go. He said to his uncle, "Uncle, I would like to get in the match. Do you think I would have a chance?" So Robin Hood heard this news. Means Sheriff man spread this news that the person who held a great shooting match, that person used to get a big prize for the best shooter. So Robin Hood heard this news and he immediately said to his uncle, "Uncle, I would like to get in that match. Can you think, do you think that I would have a chance to enter in that match?" "Why not?" said his uncle. उनके अंकल ने बोला, क्यों नहीं? You are a very young. You are a very young, but you are a good shot. Try it. You can try it. You are a good shot also. I will do it, said Robin. Then Robin said, I will do it. Robin ने कहा मैं इसको करूँगा. He took his bow along with the best arrow. Now, as uncle said that you can do it, he immediately moved and he took his bow along with the best arrows. तीर लेके निकल पड़ा. Then he set out for the shooting match. Then he set out for the shooting match के लिए निकल पड़ा. Nottingham lay just on the other side of the Sherwood forest, so he decided to cross the wood. So he want to go in Nottingham. For that he has to cross the Sherwood forest, and Nottingham is just on the other side of the Sherwood forest. So he decided to cross the wood. First he crossed the wood, then on the other side Sherwood forest is there, and the name of that shooting match where he wants to go, that place name is Nottingham. While walking, Robin Hood come across a group of men. Children, you just see here a group of men were sitting there, and Robin Hood is ready to cross the wood and go to Nottingham place where shooting match is going to be held. And he used to carry arrow and bow, and in that place a group of men were sitting. So they were eating and drinking under an oak tree. They were the king's woodsmen. Who was there? They were king's woodmen, and they were eating and drinking under an ओक ट्री के नीचे बैठे थे. वहां पर उन लोग कुछ खा रहे थे और पी रहे थे. एंड दे वर द किंग्स वुडमैन, और वह किंग के लोग थे. That time the Sherwood forest was guarded by king's men. At that time Sherwood forest is guarded by the king's men. उस समय Sherwood forest को kings के लोग देखते थे. Nobody was allowed to shoot an animal in the forest, and nobody is allowed. कोई भी allowed नहीं थे वहाँ के जानवरों को मारने के लिए, उस forest के जानवरों को मारने के लिए. If anybody did so he lost his head. अगर कोई ऐसा करता है तो उसके सिर को काट दिया जाता था. Look who's there, said one of the men. Isn't he a pretty boy? Look who was there, said one of the men. उसमें से पूछते, देखो यहाँ पर कौन है ये आदमी. Isn't he a pretty boy? बोलते कोई बहुत सुंदर, pretty मतलब सुंदर बॉय है. And he got his little bow and arrow. और उसके पास छोटा सा बो एंड एरो भी है. रॉबिन हुड टोल्ड देम दैट ही वाज गोइंग टू द शरीफ शूटिंग मैच. और वो बोलता है, रॉबिन हुड बोलता है कि वो एंड ही वाज गोइंग फॉर द शरीफ शूटिंग मैच. जहाँ पर शूटिंग मैच हो रहा है, शरीफ के शूटिंग मैच हो रहा है, वहाँ पर वह जा रहा है. दे लाफ्ड एट रॉबिन हुड. ऐसा सुन करके रॉबिन हुड के ऊपर वो मैन लोग ने, वुड्समैन, हंसने लगे. Do you think you can shoot with men? I will bet you can't even pull that string back. वह बोलता है, वहाँ उस आदमी बोलता है, तुम क्या इंसान को मार सकते हो? तुम तो ये अपनी बो और एरो को भी निकाल नहीं सकते हो. Is that so? said Robin. I can shoot as well as any of you. Everybody laughed. वह बोलता है, इस रॉबिन हुड बोलता है, Is that so? I can shoot as well as any of you. Everybody laughed. मैं तुमको भी मार सकता हूँ, यह सुन करके सभी लोग हंसने लगते हैं. Before moving towards the second part of the lesson, let's see the difficult words which we came across in today's portion. Let's see. King Henry, Henry, Henry. England, England, England. Outlaws, Outlaws, outlaws. Band, Band, band. Forest, Forest, forest. Sherwood, 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 forest. Punished, Punished, punished. Protection, Protection, protection. Sherwood, 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 forest. Sheriffs, Sheriff, sheriff. Adventurous, Adventurous, adventurous. Bold, Bold, bold. Shooting, Shooting, shooting. Outlaw, Outlaw, outlaw. Shooting, Shooting, shooting. Declared, Declared, declared. Nottingham, Nottingham, Nottingham. Shooting, Shooting, shooting. Nottingham, Nottingham, Nottingham. Decided, decided. Woodsman, Woodsman, woodsman. Guarded, guarded. Pretty, Pretty, pretty. That's all, children. These are the difficult words which we came across in today's portion. Children, what you have to do it? You have to learn these difficult words and you have to read this lesson so that you can know how to read and how to pronounce these difficult words, and you will get this difficult words meanings also. Thank you.